This tutorial is about creating a lock screen with your name on it so that if you were to leave your iPad left somewhere, you could just open it up and you'll see the picture on there. It would be a picture of your face or your name or your room number or whatever. So a way to identify your iPad very easily, since a lot of us have the exact same iPad case. We're going to eventually want to do this with our students, so we're first going to do it for ourselves. So, for example, I did mine with my last name, just short and simple. But again, you're welcome to do a picture of your face if you want, or you can make it more fancy and doll it up. But I'll just show you the just quick, simple version just to get your name on. So to start, we're going to use the application called Explain Everything. So find that in your iPad and open it up. Now, if I do go too fast, feel free to pause the video at any time and rewind if you need to. But I am going to try and go through it quickly, so because you can control the speed of the video just by rewinding and pausing. So we're going to open up and make a new file. So hit the plus sign, choose a background, whichever color you want. I like black because it's nice and sleek. So now, if you want to add a picture of yourself or a picture that you want to edit and make kind of cool and customize it your own, you can hit the file with the plus sign, which is like add a file sign. You can choose an existing one, or you can create a new picture by taking a picture right now if you don't have one. So I'm not going to show you that one, but that's where you can find if you want to import a picture. I'm just going to do text, so I'm going to hit the A button here and click anywhere on the screen. Now you're going to want to choose your font and your size. You can do it after you type it in, or you can do it right at the beginning. Now to choose your font size and type of font, you need to press and hold the A. So put your finger on the A, hold it down until this little menu comes up. Choose which kind of font that you like. There's lots in there. Go ahead and look through them. I'll just pick Chalk Duster since it's already there. Your font size, the highest it goes to is 50. So just start with that. And you can put a border if you want. It doesn't matter. So once you've got that set, just tap in the middle of the screen. Go ahead and put your name on it. It's not going to come out very big to start. Center Justify, so it's in the middle. Hit your check. Now to move it around and make it a little bit bigger, since 50 was the highest font, you're going to use your two-finger pinch. Try and hit it right in the middle. It's kind of finicky, hard to get it, but eventually you'll get the right spot. Okay, and you can turn it if you want, if you just twist your fingers, make it big, small, once you've got the name pinched. So put it wherever you like. If you want to add in another text to put your room number, just go back to the A, tap the A and hit somewhere else on the page. You could put in room 29. Oops. If you want for someone to be able to deliver it back to you. And tap away, or sorry, you can tap the little hand at the top left there to deselect. Again, you try and pinch it if you can get it. And put it wherever you like. Okay, now my default color was white. If you want to change the color, tap inside, double tap inside, sorry. And to close the keyboard, since we don't want the keyboard, there's the keyboard button at the bottom right-hand corner. Tap that, it'll close it. Now to get the color, you just go to the bottom left-hand corner and you'll see some colors there and you can just change them. There's 3 that are like your common use colors. If you want more, you just tap and hold one of the colors and you can change that color to whatever color you want and you can customize your own colors. So let's say you like to use blue often, you can set that third one as blue or whatever color you want. Same thing if you want to change your other one. Double tap inside, get rid of the keyboard, and change the color to whatever color you want it to be. And there you go. So both blue if you want. So do whatever color you like. Okay, so once you're done that, if you want to deselect, you can always press the top left-hand little hand button. So once you're done, you're satisfied with your picture and you're ready to export it. On the bottom right-hand corner are your options to export. If you click on the first one, so the first of the 4, it'll give you the option to export it to the camera roll. You want it to be a photo. That's the key here. You don't want to export it as PDF or anything else. You want a photo to the camera roll. So once you do that, you can just hit that and it's exported to the camera roll. Okay. Now, so the next step now is to import your picture into the lock screen. So to do that, you're just going to open the picture in your photos. So find the photo app, open it up, and then when you open it, you'll see on the top left hand side here, I'll show you really quick with a little bit of an arrow here. So if I make myself an arrow. So right up top here, you have some options here. You're going to want to hit this arrow button, the one that it's an arrow going out. Okay, so hit that one. Then you'll get a screen that pops up like this, and you're going to want to use this use as wallpaper button here. So click that one, and then it'll give you a new screen. This new screen now has a couple of options up here at the top. So you can set the lock screen, set the home screen, or set both. This is where you can choose. You definitely have to set the lock screen. So either you do just the lock screen or you choose to set both. Don't just hit home screen, otherwise it defeats the purpose of being able to identify your iPad in the lock screen. So hit either set lock screen or set both if you want your unlocked screen to also show your name. So go ahead and choose which one you want, and then when you're done, you just close out of your photo program, and then you can check your lock screen to see if it works. There's visiting, and there's my lock screen, so it worked. So if you have any questions, as always, feel free to come talk to me, and you can always send me an email as well.